Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of blackberries. From boosting your heart health to nourishing your skin, supporting your immune system to aiding digestion, blackberries are the wellness gems you didn't know you needed. Whether you're a berry enthusiast or just looking to infuse your diet with some delicious and nutritious goodness, you're in a good place. Blackberries are about to steal the spotlight, and we're here to unveil their amazing health secrets. Without further ado, let's dig into the incredible health benefits that blackberries bring to the table. Get ready to be amazed, educated, and inspired to make these tiny, tangy delights a regular part of your wellness routine. Firstly, blackberries are packed with a big punch of antioxidants. They are your body's natural allies against oxidative stress. Packed with vitamin C and E, they help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These berries help keeping your cells happy and your body thriving. What's more, blackberries are here to show some love to your cardiovascular system. Loaded with anthocyanins, these compounds might help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reduce inflammation, and support overall heart wellness. Blackberries are rich in dietary fiber, the champion your digestive system has been waiting for. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Whether it's bloating or indigestion, blackberries might just come to the rescue. Their fiber content supports a healthy digestive tract, ensuring you feel light, comfortable, and energized. Ever heard of your gut's microbiome? Well, blackberries are like a party for those friendly gut bacteria. Their fiber provides nourishment to these little helpers, contributing to a balanced and harmonious gut environment. The next time you munch on blackberries, remember you're not just enjoying a delicious treat, you're also giving your digestive system a helping hand. Now let's take a closer look at the brain health. Blackberries are more than just a sweet treat. They're brain food too. Packed with antioxidants, they help shield your brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially supporting better cognitive function. Ever wanted to ace those exams? Blackberries might be your secret weapon. The antioxidants they contain could contribute to maintaining optimal brain health, keeping your mind sharp and focused. Whether you're studying for a test or engaging in creative activities, the nutrients in blackberries could give your brain the nourishment it needs to perform at its best. Let's talk about blackberries' potential to be your skin's best-kept secret. Blackberries are brimming with vitamin C, a crucial player in collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and supple, and blackberries might just be your ticket to maintaining that youthful glow. Need some natural sun defense? Blackberries have your back. The antioxidants they contain, including anthocyanins, help shield your skin from the damaging effects of UV rays, potentially reducing premature aging. Whether it's pesky blemishes or minor irritations, blackberries can come to the rescue. Their vitamins and nutrients aid in the healing process, contributing to a smoother, more even complexion. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep. When you munch on blackberries, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also feeding your skin with the nutrients it craves. Whether you're a student with youthful skin or someone looking to preserve their natural radiance, blackberries can be your go-to skin elixir. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Are you a future bone enthusiast? Blackberries bring a trio of bone-loving minerals, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, to the table. These nutrients are essential for building strong and resilient bones. But wait, there is more. Blackberries come loaded with vitamin A, a nutrient essential for good eyesight. Vitamin A helps keep your retinas healthy, supporting your ability to see in low-light conditions. The antioxidants found in blackberries, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, play a role in protecting your eyes from oxidative stress. This extra defense might help reduce the risk of age-related eye issues. In today's digital age, protecting your eyes from blue light is crucial. The antioxidants in blackberries may provide some defense against the potential effects of prolonged screen time. Whether you're a student studying hard or someone navigating through a busy world, blackberries can be a tasty addition to your eye-friendly toolkit. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing tour through the incredible health benefits of blackberries. Let's finally say it. Blackberries are truly nature's little powerhouses. Whether you're blending them into smoothies, tossing them into salads, or enjoying them as a guilt-free snack, remember that every bite of these juicy gems is a step towards a healthier and happier you. Let these berries be your partners in achieving your health goals and relishing the joy of nutritious living. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.